Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Under the hood you do get a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look at some of the key features they have going on here. So we do have the LT Trail Boss off-road styling. You get your LED headlights as well as your fog lights. Just down below here is where we'll have our recovery hooks as well as our engine block heater. On the front bumper, you will also see that we do have our safety sensors. You also do get your all-terrain tires. Alrighty, now that we're inside, as you see, we do have the wooden accent finish. We have our door locks, window controls, mirror adjusters. You also do get the Bose sound system. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find that we do have our tow mode, as well as our bed box light and our light controls. We have the leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you'll see that we do have our heated steering wheel and our adaptive cruise control. And then on the right-hand side, we have our hands-free calling and our audio controls. You do also get the paddle shifters there in the back. Moving over to our entertainment screen, we're going to start off on the navigation. As you see, we do have the Apple or Google. We're going to also put this baby into reverse. So we're going to click the home button and you can go into camera. So instead of putting into reverse, you can just click that. You have the bird's eye view, the front view, side view, pitch view. So you get the audio, Google Maps, phone, cameras, Google Assist, Play Store, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, trailering, climate, settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, Alexa, My Chevrolet, and news. We're gonna go down here. We have our lane keep assist, our parking sensors, our automatic on and off. We have our tailgate release button, traction control, downhill assist. We have the wood green accent finish here as well. Our push to start stop button. This is a dual automatic climate control zone, so the front passengers have their free range. We have the heated seats right here. Plenty of storage space here in the center console. I'm gonna lift this guy up and you do have your wireless charging pad and charging ports and even more storage down there. I'm gonna start off on the side. We do have the gloss black handles. You get your running boards as well. The sports bar with the light bar on top. Coming to the back, we do have our rear corner steps. You do get your dual exhaust. We have the blacked out Chevy logo going throughout the whole back. This is a power liftgate, so I'm going to press the button twice and it's going to lower it. You also do get the tonneau cover, the Chevy Tech spray and bed liner. You do have your hooks on either side, as well as your charging port.